Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the session length in F1 24. If you are playing in the career mode, the first thing that you want to do is go to the race weekend. So you want to do this at the beginning of the race weekend. Now if you enter the workstation, then you will find the session length, where you can set it to very short, medium, long or full, increasing the time for practice as well as the race. And if you want to, you can also adjust the qualifying format and choose between one shot, short or full. On the other hand, if you want to adjust the session length for Grand Prix, then you need to go there, select the category and the track and the team. And finally, where we have the Grand Prix settings, then over here we can go to weekend structure, and over here we have session length, where we can adjust it in a similar way as in the career mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.